Now, let us look into our eyes. Our own eyes are window to our mind. You know, every position of our eye indicates certain emotions or certain thought patterns. Have you observed this? Hmm? When you look when both eyes are going up like this is daydreaming. Oh, what if I get $1,000,000? You know, they're daydreamers. And if your eyes are to the right like this, then you are trying to remember, recollect something. Where did I keep my key? What did I do with that iPad? You know, you are looking, you're trying to remember. That is when you're looking to the right side. You look to the left side up, that is thinking, what else can I do? How I can handle this guy? What I can say to that lady? How I can manage? You are thinking, planning. And you look to your right side like this, whom you think you are. And you look like this, don't you know who I am? You see that? And you are surprised, your eyes are like that. You are angry, there is a different feeling in your eyes. You are in joy or bliss, your eyes are half closed. And when you are in meditation, what happens? Or in your introvert, you are thinking, or you are in deep inner wakefulness, the eyes are in 30 degrees inward. You are thinking inward. Like that, every position of your eyes indicates certain emotions, certain thought patterns. And today what we are going to do is we are going to roll our eyes like this. Not roll the head, just the eyes. Roll your eyes clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay? When we do this and we do little eye exercise, because you have been watching a lot of television and net and all that, this eye exercise will help you immensely. And through the eye exercise, we'll slip into meditation, which I'll be guiding you. So, hold your thumb right in front of you and gaze at the thumb. Now, gently bring your gaze and the thumb below as you breathe out. And as you breathe in, slowly bring your thumb up, all the way up, up. Don't lift your chin, but only the eyes, and take your thumb all the way to the ceiling when your eyes can see that. And then come down like this. With your side and the thumb, you're coming down, coming down. Synchronize this with the breath. You breathe out, breathe in. And breathe out. We're going to do this 6 times. 3 in one hand and 3 in the other hand. Pull your navel a little bit in, and as you do this, take your thumb up, till you can see your eyebrows if you have one. And then come down. दृष्टि को अपने अंगूठे पर टिका करके दृष्टि और हाथ को सांस के साथ ऊपर नीचे करिए. नीचे से सांस लेते लेते अंगूठे को ऊपर ले जाइए और दूसरे हाथ से अभी करिए. ऊपर ले जाइए Take your attention while breathing in up and breathe out, and keeping your attention on your nail, nail of the thumb. Once again, you may feel a little sleepy or drowsy, it is fine. And continue doing this. As you do this with the breath in, breathe in and synchronize your breath, the movement of your hand and your eyes, and breathe out and bring them down. Life is all about synchronicity. Life is all about synchronicity. Now you have done with both hands. दोनों हाथ से कर लिया 3-3 राउंड. अब गोल गोल घुमाए. Don't move your chin or head. Just roll your eyes. It's best not to do this with the contact lens. If you have some irritation with the contact lens, then you remove them and then do it. Ghumaiye, roll your eyes, perfect rotation, smooth circles. Now reverse, draw circle in the opposite direction. It should be a smooth circle, a rotation of your eyeballs. आप घुमाते जाइए, दाहिने बाएं प्रदक्षिण और अप्रदक्षिण दोनों तरफ घुमाते जाइए. पलकें थक जाएंगे तब तक करना चाहिए, जैसे हाथ थकने वक्त तक करते हैं एक्सरसाइज. अब आंखों को पलकें झपक करिएगा. ब्लिंक. Now you blink your eyes. Blink, 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 blink. Till your eyelids become heavier. Keep blinking, blinking, blinking. Blink, 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 blink. When you cannot do it anymore, now close your eyes and sit.